Hi everyone, I'm George Bacon with a very warm welcome to Wales Airshow at Home, brought to you by Swansea Council in association with Ron Skinner and Son. We're here to present a digital celebration of Wales Airshow, which you can sit back and enjoy from the comfort of your own home. We will be looking back at the spectacular air displays and ground activities that have taken place at previous Wales Airshows. Plus, there will be competitions and fun games for the whole family to enjoy throughout the day. We'll also be ending the day with some exclusive, never-seen-before footage from the Red Arrows display over Swansea Bay in 2017. We hope you'll sit back and enjoy the day with us at home, but before we get going, here's a few words from Councillor Robert Francis Davis.
Good morning. I hope everybody is safe and well. As you know, Swansea Council are unable to bring the Wales International Airshow this year because of the dreadful coronavirus pandemic. I personally am just as disappointed as the hundreds of thousands of others who normally pack into Swansea Bay over 2 days to watch this wonderful air show. I'm very proud of Swansea Council's events and marketing team who have decided that the show must go on. And so with the help of Ron Skinner and Sons giving sponsorship for this digital transmission, they have put together a show using highlights from previous shows, highlights that many people haven't seen on screen. They have put a fun-packed program together, interviews with pilots. My favourite, and I'm sure most other people's favourites, the Red Arrows will be there. Over the years, I've loved watching the Chinooks, the Tornadoes, Swansea's very own Air Ravens, and many others, the parachutists, a whole host of fun for everyone. So sit back, enjoy the show, and I look forward to welcoming you once again next year to the Wales International Airshow 2021.
Well, thanks. That was Robert Francis Davis welcoming you to this at-home event. First up on the playbill today for Wales Airshow at Home, it's a Q&A session with our local boys team, Team Raven.